Interesting names out there. Michael Vick, I don't know if he thinks he's going to be a starter with his next move, can be a starter, or does he go to a contender as a backup? What do you think?
Well, I think Vic was really disappointed that Minnesota re-signed Matt Castle. I think Michael really would have liked to have gone to Minnesota to play with Adrian Peterson, to throw the ball to Cordero Patterson and Greg Jennings. And now I think he has a choice, or is going to have a choice. Certainly he's going to draw some interest from the Jets. I think he's going to want to know, am I going to be able to compete equally on equal ground with Geno Smith for the starting job? If I lose it, that's fine. I'll be a good guy. I'll help Geno Smith and all that. But I think he would, if he goes to the Jets, he would want to know that he would come in and have a good shot to win the starting job. And if not, I could see Michael Vick taking a flyer and going to be a backup in a place like San Francisco, because where would you want to be a backup? Would you want to be a backup with, say, the Jets or with the 49ers, where you have a chance to play deep into January? So I think that's probably what Vick is thinking about this morning on the eve of free agency.